So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Coding World. And guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to make a shooter game on Scratch. At the end of this series, you will be able to make a shooter game just like this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you will have to create a new project. It will be just like this. You'll have to delete this sprite one and paint another sprite, which will be a spaceship. The outline should be 10 or something, and the color should be black. So make something just like this. And now go in the fill. The fill should be brightness 27 or 25, and the saturation should be 0. Now fill the spaceship with the gray color. Now go in the rectangle. The fill should be brightness 100, saturation 100, and color should be 55. The outline should be black but the size should be 4. Now draw something like this and place it over here. Now select this and bring it in the middle. Now take the rectangle. The fill should be red and just draw something like this. The outline should be black and the size of the outline should be 4. Now draw it like this. Now make it size 25. We'll just bring this in the middle and we will make the size of this a bit shorter. Okay, and the size of this on the screen should be 50. Now just duplicate the sprite, but in the fill you should select the orange color, fill it over here. Now this will be our enemy and this will be our character. Okay, so now we will start with our backdrop. In the backdrop, it should be the backdrop of galaxy. And now we will take another sprite which should be our earth. Now place the earth over here. Now we will give some basic movements to our character. Say when flag is clicked, forever, if key right arrow is pressed, turn right 5 degrees. Now duplicate it and place it over here. If key left arrow is pressed, then turn left 5 degrees. Now duplicate the both of them. If key up arrow is pressed, if key down arrow is pressed, remove this and then say move 10 steps in the up arrow and move minus 10 steps in the down arrow. So now if you see, there are some kinds of basic movements to our character, but the up and down arrow is a bit fast, so we will keep it 5 steps, 5 steps and minus 5 steps. Now it is working properly. Yeah, now it is working properly. So guys, if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next part of this series. Till then, take care and bye bye.